So we're ready to go. Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and as you guys might know, the weather's getting warmer, which means summer is right around the corner. And when you think about summer, do you guys conjure up these images of barbecuing outside with burgers and brats and grilled onions and buns and all that sort of thing? I just thought about buns as in like actual people buns at the pool versus buns for burgers. Anyway, that is where my mind goes. However, when I think about these summer barbecues and such, I actually think about the appetizers being served prior to the burgers and the dogs. Because, I mean, let's be real. After a couple of burgers and dogs, you guys probably get a little bit sick of the same old, same old. Am I right or am I wrong? You guys can let me know in the comments below. That being said, today I have a pretty tasty idea for an appetizer that you guys could serve your guests at one of your barbecues. And no, it doesn't include hot dogs or burgers. It includes scallops. Yeah, scallops are really tasty. They're a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but I'll let you guys know in the description below where you guys can get the cheapest yet also the freshest scallops available. I got my scallops at Whole Foods because I'm always at Whole Foods. That place is like my second home. Are you guys ready to see what appetizer I've conjured up in my brain? Yeah, so am I, because what I'm thinking about sounds so dang good. And also, it's super easy, which is perfect, especially if you're in one of those binds where you're like, oh my God, people are gonna come over in 5 minutes and I need some sort of appetizer, I don't know what to do. This is perfect for that situation. Did you guys see how easy it is to make these? So easy. Scallop sandwiches, guys. Scallop sandwiches. Have you ever thought about a scallop sandwich before? And probably not this way too, by the way, because there's no bread involved. The scallop is the quote bread. And then that filling, delicious guacamole. And who doesn't love guacamole during the summer? If you don't like guacamole during the summer, yeah, you are totally allowed to leave this channel right now. So now you might be curious as to how to serve one of these bad boys up. Well, there are a few different options. You can easily just put toothpicks in there and serve it that way. And I wish I did have toothpicks to show you that, but I don't. Also, at the grocery store, you can find cute little forks like this. This is not a throwaway fork, but at the grocery store, they have cute little forks like this that you can throw away, and you can easily just stick it right in there and I wasn't expecting to try that, but I totally just had to because, I mean, I stuck my fork in it, so it was done. So that means I had to put it in my mouth, right? And now I guac on my face and everything, it's super sexy. So that's another option on how you guys could serve this up. Now, the third option I have for you is something a little interesting. When I went to Whole Foods to grab all of my ingredients, I actually came across these little Yakama tortillas. Yeah, they're really good. I forgot how amazingly delicious Yakama is. So what you do is you can just grab one of these little tortillas right here. I actually have a plate right here that is legit the exact same size as this little tortilla, like such. And then you can grab one of these little scallops and just put it right on top. Now, when you serve it this way, you're gonna have to give them this entire plate because they're gonna need to wrap it up like such and then shove it in their mouth this way. So I'll show you how that's done right now because I'm pretty sure you guys don't know how to put food in your mouth. That Yakama gives it such a nice little extra sweetness and a crunch that's just, I can't even explain how delicious it is. You just have to make it in your own kitchen. Holy crap, whoa. And did you guys notice how easy this recipe was to make? You don't even have to make your own guacamole if you want. I'm not gonna lie. I went to Whole Foods and I got their pre-made guacamole, which by the way, if you want to know the ingredients so you can make your own, it's just avocado, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, garlic, pepper, lemon juice, and sea salt. Yeah, exactly. Typically, I would make my own guacamole, but I wanted to showcase the fact that when you're in a bind, like a lot of people typically are when they host parties and such, you can easily go to the store and grab a pre-made one. That being said, please do read the ingredients because sometimes they add ingredients that are just not necessary for guacamole, such as sugar. And with that being said, I'm gonna grab me another little sandwich here and I'm gonna celebrate the upcoming summer months. Gonna dive into this guacamole cause it's stupid good. So how many of you are going to make this recipe? I mean, you don't really have any excuses, guys, because it's so stupid easy. And it's also really stupid easy to eat as well. And I plan on eating this entire recipe because that's just what this girl does. She eats truckloads of food and she doesn't care. So that's actually a problem when I host a party because I'm not gonna wanna share my awesome appetizers with people. I feel like I just won't tell anyone there's appetizers and I'll just scarf them in the back while everyone else eats their burgers and brats. Oh, my little astronaut here.
Hi, I'm landing like celebrities.
Here, sweetie, have a, oh, geez. Oh, apparently I'm a celebrity, everybody. Have a sandwich.
Yes, I will. Need more salt.
All right, well, thank you for that. Bye. All right, well, there you go. You heard it from Landon. Needs a tiny bit more salt, but guess what? We love the salt, so if you're not really into salt, then these are probably perfect for you. But anyway, I gotta go because these babies are staring me in the face, and this girl needs a sandwich in her mouth. Yes, she does. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye right now, but thank you all so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite summertime recipe is or what you love to eat during the summer. I'd love to know, and maybe I can healthify it if it's not all that healthy for you. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next week. You're stupid good. Last but not least,